Hey everybody, welcome to the Build Young, Grow Wealthy podcast. My name is Walida Cherie, and today I want to talk about pet insurance and if you need it to insure your pet. Without further ado, let's get into this. According to the 2019-2020 American Pet Products Association, also known as APPA, National Pet Owners Survey, 67% of U.S. households own a pet, which equates to nearly 85 million homes according to Investopedia. So what is pet insurance? Pet insurance functions like property insurance, which usually covers hospital costs for non-exotic animals such as dogs and cats. However, exotic animals are not exempt, they are just more difficult to insure. So what are the different types of visits that are covered? According to a recent Rolling Stone article, the first type of coverage is called accident and illness policies, which are the most common and cover vet bills for various illnesses like viral infections and injuries from accidents such as broken bones. This type of policy generally covers hospitalization, surgery, and diagnostic tests. The second type of coverage is accident only. Policies provide coverage solely for unexpected accidents such as ingesting toxins or injuries from getting struck by a car. And then the last type of coverage that's offered is called a wellness plan, which is really just an add-on to whichever medical policy you chose from the other two. These are going to cover routines and preventative care expenses such as annual wellness visits, vaccinations, and flea and tick prevention. So now that you know what pet insurance is, you need to know some details about insurance in general. What is a deductible? The deductible is the amount you must pay out of pocket before the insurance company picks up the bill. A rule of thumb, the lower your deductible, the higher your premium will be, which is what you pay monthly to have your pet insured. The higher your deductible, the lower your premium will be. So just keep that in mind. The deductible happens when you actually want to use your insurance. You'll have to pay that first before the insurance will pick up the bill. The premium is what you pay monthly or quarterly or annually in order to have insurance overall. So it's pretty much like your monthly bill. What is a reimbursement level? The reimbursement level is how much the insurance company will cover the overall bill. For instance, if you have a 70% reimbursement level, you will pay 30% of the total bill non-refundable, and the insurance company will refund you 70% of the total bill. Warning: unlike health insurance, the policyholder is responsible for paying 100% of the bill directly to their pet's healthcare provider before they can be reimbursed by the insurance company. So is pet insurance a good investment? In my opinion, only if your pet incurs serious health problems and may have to be hospitalized. Something to note is if you suspect that your pet is getting sick, you can't just buy pet insurance to cover the bill. There is almost always a waiting period, and it can take anywhere from 24 hours to 1 year to be approved, depending on the problem and your insurance company. You may be required to have your veterinarian to do an inspection before the insurance company approves your pet to be covered. Also, no pet insurance covers pre-existing problems, so if it's already been documented that your pet has a problem, then there is a high chance you will be denied from having pet insurance. So with all that being said, considering that you have to pay the full bill out of pocket before you can be reimbursed, my suggestion is to start a pet emergency fund for potentially larger bills. Because of this fact alone, pet insurance doesn't seem like the best option in my opinion, but always assess your situation, do your own research, and weigh the pros and cons of having it versus not having it. So what are your thoughts? Is pet insurance worth it? Leave me a comment. If you are new to the podcast, welcome and make sure you subscribe. If you are a loyal listener, thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to share this episode with a friend so that we can spread the knowledge. That's all I have for now. Until next time, I will talk to you later.